Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to Trending News JA. So, Mavado finally breaks silence after the Court of Appeal quashed the murder convictions and sentences of his son Dantay Brooks and his co-accused Andre Hines. Dantay Brooks and Andre Hines were sentenced to life imprisonment 4 years ago, and they were able to walk free on Friday by the Court of Appeal due to a trial judge's error. So Mavado took to Instagram and said, "It's taking me some time to process all that has taken place, but I am ready to speak. To God be the glory, He comes first in everything we do. I am naturally elated, relieved, and full of joy that my son Dantay has been freed from the state-imposed hell he has endured for 7 years of his young life. But at the same time, there is a fire raging within me at the injustice, or as the appeal judge put it, substantial miscarriage of justice that has taken place. A trial without jury decided on by a lone judge who chose not to take into account the amount of times the single witness changed his statements, admitted to lying to the police, and fabricated his accounts of events. The prosecution could not properly contest the appeal and did not request a retrial, admitting along the way that they did not follow basic legal protocol. They sensationalized the story with outrageous claims that the post-mortem also proved to be lies. The question is, how did this even come to a trial? We will be pursuing full legal action against all parties involved in this cruel act of injustice and will not stop fighting until real justice is served upon those who perpetrated this awful, unlawful, and unwarranted action against my son and his co-accused Andre Hines. The Court of Appeal has granted a full acquittal, showing how false, contrived, and concocted this whole case has been from day one. They also tried to drag my name through the mud to help them carry out their wrongdoings and garner headlines for themselves. Well, this story and those headlines are far from over. We will see the names of those conspirators and workers iniquity brought to bear, to face justice and accountability for their egregious actions and motivations. They are a shame to their profession. I would like to thank Mr. Hugh Wildman, who never had a doubt this miscarriage of justice would be overturned from the first minute he started reading the court transcripts. His leadership and bravery against a system designed to destroy the lives of innocent youth is a service to his country. Big up Mr. Aswes Senior Smith for his sharp legal mind and assiduous work in freeing my son and Andre Hines. So in a nutshell, the Gully God basically say out the justice system full of corruption, and it take was so much time, so much years from him son life as well as Andre Hines. He say I go take full legal action against the entire justice system. You know that at the government of Jamaica. Him deserve the right to do that as well. Tell me your thoughts on this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
That's